Hi, do you wonder how you can make your tweets a little bit more interesting? Today we're going to talk about how you can add a photo. So let's start on my computer for this. So here we are on my computer. And just as we did last time, we can start by just writing a tweet. So I just wrote, this is how you can make your tweet more interesting. And we're going to add a photo. We go down here to media and click that, and we're gonna add a photo from my computer in this case. Let's choose one of these. That looks pretty good to me. As you see, I can edit here. That means that I can zoom in and drag the picture, but I think we're gonna have the whole picture. I can change the format to square, to the 16 by 9 or to the original. I can also add a description of the picture, but in this case I will just save it like this and hit tweet. Now it's uploading that picture and it will take a little while. While that's going on, let's go over to my profile. And here you see it's now uploaded. And as always, I can choose to delete. I can pin this to my profile. And let's pin this one and take a look at how this looks on the phone. So here we are on my phone. And as you can see, here is the tweet I just did. Let's do another one. A tweet, another photo. And down here, we can pick something from my photos on my phone. Let's pick this, a little collage I have here. And on the phone, as you see, you can add stickers. Let's add a laughing sticker. You can add text, just play. And I can drag this to wherever I want it to be, and I can change the color of the background and hit done, attach. And now I just have to hit tweet, and you can see up here how it's uploading. Your tweet was sent. Let's go to the home. Here we have that tweet, but if I go to my profile now, you see the tweet I just pinned is still on top, and here is the second photo I added. I hope this gave you some inspiration to make your tweets more interesting. Come back tomorrow and we will talk about some other effects you can use to make really interesting and interactive tweets. Hej då!